What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rishi S, aka the Jumprope Coach. Today we are answering your questions, right? We've been getting this a ton in the comments, right? What is the difference between the Money Rope 2.0, the Legacy Rope, and now the new Nova Rope, all right? This video is gonna explain everything you need to know, right? Especially if you're someone who's just kind of getting into skipping, doesn't really know much about kind of ropes as well, and you wanna find out what is the best type of rope for you, for your training, for your style that you're trying to achieve. Remember, the Nova Rope has just released, right? It's available for pre-order right now on our website. You can use Rush10 for 10% discount. I've been in this game for a long time, peeps, and there is no one on this planet Earth, I guarantee you, that has tried and tested more ropes than I have, all right? Especially as we're in the game for manufacturing and we're trying to develop and trial and test new concepts out there. All our ropes are engineered and constructed to be good for beginners, right? That's the one thing you need to take away from this, all right? Each rope will have its own different kind of function in the sense that you guys can get different feels and different kind of results with your training, depending on what type of rope you want to use, all right? Now, firstly, with our #1 best-selling rope of all time, right? The Moneywork Performance. For me, it's really and truly a trailblazer of a rope because this is the one that has set off the jump rope industry. A lot of people have imitated this rope. A lot of people have started their own brands off the back of this rope. A lot of people have just got into skipping because of this speed rope. We've also had celebrities. We've had Mayweather use this rope. We've had tons and tons of people. And the thing is, with this rope, you're getting just RA history. You're getting just skipping history. To own one of this style of rope, as it were, this speed rope, 5mm thickness, engraved, solid, durable handles. The Moneywork brand stands head and shoulders above all else, all right? It's its own trademark brand. So who would typically use something like this, right? The Moneywork Performance or the speed rope. This is really used by people who are really just getting into the game. It's a perfect beginner rope. It also allows you guys to really sharpen up your skills in different areas of like sports. It's very good for speed training, for intensity, for stamina. A lot of it is helping you guys to build combinations. You can kind of just use it for skills training. You're trying to do tricks, you're trying to do combinations, you're trying to obviously move like boxers do. And a boxer would typically use speed ropes simply because they might not be looking for something that gives them strength or something that burns them out. It's really just about being light on your feet, testing different kind of foot patterns, really just kind of using it for warm-ups even. There's so much you can do with a speed rope. And the key thing about this rope, guys, is that it will still burn calories. You will typically need to use it for a longer period of time compared to the ropes we're about to show you. However, it will still get you sweating. It'll get your heart rate up. You can hear from my voice already, just doing simple little things, okay? But the nice thing about a speed rope is it's lightweight. It's about 110 grams with the handles, and it allows you to just be expressive. It allows you to really, again, do the kind of moves that you see on this channel and turn heads, of course, but make cardio fun, which is what we're trying to aim here and achieve here, is just making sure that you guys, as soon as you pick up your first rope, you guys are having fun with it, because then it will keep you coming back for more, keep you trying to learn new things, and making sure that you guys get the best out of your workouts or your sessions with your skipping ropes. The next rope is the Legacy, right? This is the beast when it comes to RA lineups, okay? The way to grip this is with a 10-finger grip, all right? You can try and go with your thumbs down there, but because of the weight of this rope, 10mm thick, this is 400 grams, so 4 times heavier than the Money Rope. This one, you want control with this kind of grip, okay? The handles, again, ergonomically designed, thicker handles to allow you to not put any stress on your wrist. It allows you to get the rope around your body using mainly forearms and biceps and shoulders. This rope is designed for someone, and again, can be a beginner, but someone who is just looking to build a lot more stamina and strength. The cool thing about this rope, guys, you can still do really advanced moves. There's people out there that can move this rope super fast, but otherwise, if I'm recommending this rope for someone, it's gonna be someone who just really wants to burn a ton of fat, has 5 to 10 minutes to do their workouts, not interested in going at a fast speed, not interested in doing super fast combinations. It's someone who's literally looking to sweat as quick as possible, get their heart rate up as quick as possible, which in turn leads to more calories burnt. And that way you will get maximum output for your sessions, okay? In years gone past, not many women, I would say, tend to go for this rope. However, there are much more women Even children I've seen use this rope. And it makes me happy because it shows that beginner doesn't mean weaker. It just means beginner means how you want to use your ropes, what kind of skills you can do, what kind of techniques. So this is a really good starting point, gives you ultimate feedback. The weight of this rope will actually slow things down and in turn give you a shot or a chance to understand when to jump, and it'll stop you really and truly flexing your knees, because this rope just makes sure that you stay light on your feet a lot more. You're not trying to do crazy moves. And it'll teach you really and truly balance and timing, because that's what you need. You're going to have to engage much more core, much more muscles in your body to get this around you, and it's just overall a lot more demanding for the body, a lot more conditioning required. Last but not least, guys, most likely my favorite, and will be my favorite for the next few years, of course, it is the Nova rope. This is our latest rope that we've devised, and it is an in-betweener. See it as this, an in-betweener to the Money and the Legacy rope, right? This is 250 grams. So at times it'll feel like a speed rope, other times it'll feel like a heavier rope, but it'll allow you to really manipulate and get the best from both worlds, okay? Allow you to get that super energetic workout, allow you to do some skills, some tricks, a lot more little differences in the handles, which we'll come into, but instantly when I move this around now, just coming off the Legacy, this actually just feels like a feather. And it just feels so nice in the hands because we've put a lot of work into this one, guys. We've put a lot of work into the handle composition, the grip. This one now, you can also go 10-finger grip, or you can go thumbs down the handle. I prefer to go thumbs down the handle. When I'm spinning this, again, allows that control, allows manipulation. We've also increased the feels of this rope. So now there's a textured rubberized grip, which has 3D branded on this. So now the grip is a lot more intensified compared to the Money rope and the Legacy rope, which has just a nylon resin kind of finish. This one now has a little tacky feel to it. It's also fully closed off top and bottom, whereas the other ropes you size from the bottom, beneath you pull the rope out. This one, you actually unscrew this cap from the top and you take the rope out and you resize here. A lot more neater looking handle, a lot more premium. This cable is 7mm, so again, right in between both of the other two. You can really take your goals and see results, if anything, a lot more quicker because your body's gonna really adapt to the conditioning. Your skills are gonna increase really fast as well because you've got the feedback of the weight, and it's just beautiful to feel this rope in the hands. This rope for sure does not need or require as much power as the Legacy rope. However, the fact that it's just a slightly less weight, it will still force you to work. And on top of that, because you are trying new tricks or you're trying new moves, that in turn, over time, if you're just sitting here with your rope, or you're not sitting, if you're standing here working out with your rope and you're trying to practice new moves, for example, it will make you work. It'll just make you, it'll make you kind of feel like you can keep going and going, right? But at the same time, you're still burning and burning. Whereas something like the Legacy, at some point you will tap out, you will feel burnt out. One super key point, guys, is that all three of these ropes have non-mechanized functions, right? Which means that there's no pieces sticking out of the handle to help it spin. All of these have been designed to give you maximum control and feels, to know exactly where the rope is at every point in the revolution. In terms of PVC, we've already mentioned that the thicknesses are different and the weights of the ropes are different based on the PVC. However, it's the same type of PVC, right? Solid PVC right through the center. There's no wires inside these ropes. If you're one of my OG subscribers or followers and you own one of these pieces of RA history, leave us a comment down below, especially for those of people who are kind of not sure about which rope is best. Let us know what you own or what your thoughts are and how it's been treating you. Hopefully your journey can inspire many more people to pick up a rope. As always, thank you for your love and support. We're super grateful for allowing us to grow this movement, to grow this community, and to, of course, bring you guys some of the best products the skipping rope industry has ever seen. So I'll see you in the next video as always. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.